I want to get out there now.
This is your time to shine.
My time to shine. Oh, thank you.
I'm Rainey Hall, I'm 32 and I'm from Wickford in Essex. Being a mum is one of the hardest jobs, but it is the best and most rewarding thing I've ever done. Having young kids does put pressure on you to kind of put your hopes and dreams to one side, but it would literally mean everything to me if I got that turn today.
Coming to the end, you're looking at...
Well, bring it on. Let me get rid of the pain.
Music just runs through my veins and I feel like it's my time.